For creating a Facebook page, go to your Chrome browser and there search for Facebook. Remember one thing. Before creating a Facebook page, you must have a Facebook account. Facebook needs this for security purpose. You can create your Facebook page from your personal account. Don't worry, it's totally secure. Nobody can see your account. Now click on this login button and it will redirect you to your personal account. To create a Facebook page, you have to go to this menu section. Click on this menu and now go to this page section. This is the first step before creating a Facebook page. You have to select a name of your page. Should be your brand or company name. And if you are building your personal brand, then you can go with your name. Select a name that explain your pages. Now I will give a name of this Facebook page. I have given a name of this Facebook page. After giving name, you have to go to this category section. You have to select that category which is best match with your Facebook page. Normally Facebook gives you option. You can select up to three category. It is very much important to select the most relevant category for your business. Now remember one thing, don't make any mistake before selecting this category, because if you select a wrong category, Facebook will place your ad in front of wrong people at the beginning. So remember one thing, try to keep it relevant with your Facebook page. I have selected the category and the next section is bio. The bio section is optional but it is important. Write a short description about your business so these visitors can understand about your business. I have write a small bio here and I will paste it here. Now I will click on this create page. Congratulations, your first step is complete. Now from this page you have to give your website. Now if you serious about your business, you must have a website which should be connected with your Facebook page. Select your country code and give your phone number. The next step is you have to give your email address. I will recommend you to make a business email if you are serious about your business. But if you don't have any, you can go with your personal Gmail account. Fill up your email address, fill up your address and town, city and postcode. And as I have an online business, I will select always open. Now I will click on next. From this section, you have to select your profile picture. Facebook will show you page health section. Filling out more information will improve your page health score. Next, upload two important picture. One is your profile picture and another is your cover photo. Always check one important thing, how it looks on mobile phone, because most of the people use Facebook from their mobile. So that's why you have to click over this mobile icon and you can look it how it looks on mobile phone. Now if you don't know how to design image, you can go to canva.com. Visit canva.com. Here you can search for Facebook cover photo. Now if you don't know how to design this image, you can use Canva. Go to canva.com and there you have to search for Facebook cover photo and click enter. Here you will find multiple design. You can edit text, message, color, photo, everything according to your business. Canva is also useful for creating ads and organic content. Suppose I will select this one and customize this template. From here, you can customize it according to your need. If you want to know details about canva.com, then just comment. I will make another video. After giving Facebook profile picture and cover photo, we will select on this next button. Facebook will ask you to connect your WhatsApp business account. If you don't have a business account, I will recommend you just create a Facebook business account and connect it with it. For now, I will skip this process. Click on this next. If you want to turn on your notification, then skip it like this. And if you don't want any notification on your personal account, then you can turn it off. I will turn it off for now. I don't need any marketing and promotional emails now, so I will let it be off and I will go to this done. Congratulations, your Facebook page is ready. You can invite your friend to like or follow your page at initial, or you can skip this. I will suggest you not invite your friends now. When you give some post, your page is visible to others, then you can invite your friends. Remember one thing, you must maintain the ratio which fits to your Facebook profile and cover photo. There is a recommendation of Facebook for creating your cover photo and profile picture. I will give it on the description box.